Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use SpotMe money on Chime. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Chime SpotMe allows you to overdraft your account by $20 up to $200, depending on your limit, and it comes with no overdraft fees. To get started, you first need to enable the SpotMe feature. Open your Chime app, then tap on the gear icon, which is usually the second icon from the top left corner. Scroll down until you find the SpotMe section. Under this section, toggle on the option that says Fee-Free Overdraft, and once you do that, SpotMe will be enabled on your account. After enabling SpotMe, you'll be shown your personal limit, which is the amount you can overdraft. For example, you might start with a $20 or $50 limit, but this can increase over time as you use SpotMe more frequently and receive regular direct deposits. The more consistently you use your Chime account, the higher your SpotMe limit can become. You can use SpotMe with your Chime debit card for purchases and ATM withdrawals. SpotMe only works for debit card transactions and cash withdrawals, so you cannot use it for sending money through ChimePay, Venmo, Cash App, or similar services. If your SpotMe limit is $50, you can withdraw up to that amount from an ATM, even if your account balance is $0. Repayment happens automatically. The next time you receive a direct deposit, Chime will automatically deduct the negative balance from your account. Once it's repaid, your SpotMe limit may also increase depending on your direct deposit history. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use SpotMe money on Chime. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.